welcome back to the Royal Circleteam, best homes in the world, and you're gonna love this new condo. Just look at it. This is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Actually, you know what? Show you the real thing. As you can see, this condo is next level. It is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1774 square feet. It is moments away from the LBJ Lake, massive golf courses, and all that Marble Falls have to offer you. And the best part is only $355,000. Now let's take more of this property right now. You can see when you first walk in, we have a nice updated washer and dryer. Great section all put away for you guys. Back on the right hand side over there, we have storage units. You can have more storage in there. And outside behind us is also a garage. Now here's the cool feature about this property. For one, my client had installed over $100,000 into this property. This home was made in 1984. Everything is brand new as of like last year. So almost a 2022 new home for you. Walk into the kitchen, nice size kitchen. Get a nice window as well. All new cabinets, tons of space for you guys. Make sure kind of map what's going on. We got new fridges, new dishwasher, a new oven for you as well. And you have a great opportunity to get all this stuff included with your purchase. Again, tons of space, great lighting, great lights, all updated just for you guys. Let's tell you our main living room area. Right here we have our little loft section that can be used as a dining room or a TV section if you want to for extra space. And you see all the floors here are nice wooden laminate as well for you guys, all brand new. Our first half bathroom is down here to the right. Great new light fixtures, new sink, big meal, big space, all for you in mind. Another cool feature as well that you know is he has updated all the plumbing and electricity box as well. You also want to know as well that we also have a lot more amenities for you, so make sure you stay to the end to see what offers we have for this property. Now on top of that, you see right now we're in the main living room. It is super spacious, tons of natural light. Over here you can pan and see our couches, space. And this right here is actually a working area for your fireplace. This is actually a fireplace that she had. She took it down because she didn't want it no more, but you easily put it back in there and install your own fireplace. And finally, I'm going to show you guys not only outside for a back area that goes to the green belt, but also upstairs. So without further ado, let's show it to you. You will love this backyard area. This is also a downstairs balcony if you want to call it. It's super spacious, nice hanging canopies for you guys as well. Over here we have a ladder as it goes upstairs if you want to go faster out to the second balcony as well. And out here you can see we have 2 big size backyard. Another cool feature about this property is the HOA that we have here actually covers all the landscaping and outside the property for you too. So it's none of your own deals. And down here is what you can see. It's right next to the green belt, next to HEB, which is like a stone throw away, and all the major amenities you guys want to have for yourself, make life as easy as possible. Now it's all downstairs, but you want to love upstairs. Let's get into it. to detail this house again is next level. Before I show you the main event, let's start on this side of the house over here. We have our 7th bedroom, which is pretty spacious, great for either office space or for your kids and so forth and all that. We have a pretty big closet space for you too. And again, everything in this house is brand new, from brand new ceilings, brand new lighting, brand new fans, everything else. Also all new vents as well. Our next room is right next to it over here. Again, pretty spacious, makes for a great office. Has another walk-in closet for you too. And also pretty spacious as well. I can get over this even more. And finally, you're gonna love this bathroom. And this is the bathroom. You have all brand new everything, from all down from the marble flooring to the marble we have on the countertop, mirror, and even our vents up top. And of course, our shower, this is all walk-in, is brand new as well. And then our main event before we go to the balcony is outside. But before I do that, what's your favorite part of this house so far? Let me know down below in the comment section. Also, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button as well. I'll show you more property, show you every single week. And I'll show you our main event. This is our primary master bedroom. It is super spacious. All new lights, all new fans, so much more. I love the way she's designed it so far. It is for you. Again, also to make it moving ready for you as well. Over here we have our big sink area. Again, mattress downstairs and upstairs. All nice drawers and dressers. Massive meal. Our bathroom can be all updated for you too. And of course, a massive walk-in closet for you as well for our primary bedroom. Now, you're gonna love our balcony. Again, you're gonna love this balcony. We have our hammock. You have tons of beanbags over there. Privacy gate for you as well. And of course, overlook the green belt. You can see the HEB. This is a stone throw away. And of course, we also have our ladder for easy access downstairs if you want to do that out for you as well. Again, another cool thing with this property, and not tell you yet, she's still here, congratulations. There is no restrictions on short-term Airbnb, short-term rentals, or any of that. Yeah. You can do short-term rental from day one. We also have a garage outside for you too, with the 1-car garage, as well as a lot of features. I did the math. You probably yield around $40,000 to $60,000 a year in short-term returns through this property. Again, all you have to offer over $100,000 support upgraded into this property, pretty much turnkey ready, and it won't last long. So let me know down below. Book a call with me to go with this property. Go to my website to see more of this house as well. And as always, let me know if I can help you. Help you in all 50 states and 20 different countries. Your kings and queens and abundance is your birthright. We'll see you on the next one.